Hello and welcome to this abstract reasoning tutorial. My name is Matthew and in this video I'll be going through 3 common abstract reasoning questions. Before I go through each of the questions, I'll be setting a 20-second timer so that you can have a go at the questions yourself. And then once the timer runs out, I'll go through how to get the correct answer. All of the questions that I'll be going over will look similar to this one. To answer these questions, you need to be able to spot the pattern that the series follows, and then you'll be able to work out what the next figure will look like. So give this question a go yourself, and once the time is up, I'll go through it. Okay, so to answer this question, there are 3 rules that you need to be able to spot. The first is that the top line shifts 1 space to the left. So if we follow the white triangle, we can work out that in the next figure, the white triangle should be here in the top left. So we can rule out B. The second rule is that the middle line shifts 1 space to the right. So again, if we follow the white triangle, we can work out that in the next figure, the triangle should be here on the right. So we can eliminate D. And the final rule is that the grey and the white triangle in the bottom row swap places. So again, if we follow the white triangle, we can work out that in the next figure, the white triangle should be here on the right, meaning that A is the correct answer. Now let's go on to the second question. And again, I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the question. Okay, so this question has 2 rules. The first is that the triangle and the square alternate from the top to the bottom. So we can work out that in the next figure, the triangle should be at the top and the square should be at the bottom. So we can rule out C. And the second rule is that the number of circles in the middle row alternates between 1 and 2. So in the next figure, there should only be 1 circle in the middle row, meaning that D is the correct answer. Now let's go on to the last question, and again I'll give you 20 seconds and then I'll go through the answer. Okay, so this series has 3 rules. The first is that the pentagon alternates from being black to being white. So in the next figure, the pentagon will be black, so we can rule out A. The second rule is that the arrow moves 2 spaces in a clockwise direction. So in the next figure, the arrow should be here in the bottom left, so we can rule out D. And the final rule is that the circle moves 2 spaces in an anti-clockwise direction. So in the next figure, the circle should be here at the bottom, meaning the correct answer is C. So those are all of the questions that I have for you in this video. I hope that they helped you, and if they did, please like the video and subscribe. And thank you for watching.